I had it all figured out, knew which road I would go down, thought I could do it all on my own. But then you came around. When fate has its way and things fall into place, all the plans you made don't make sense anymore. Honey, I am sure that love was a good detour. Love was a good detour. Well, I had the mountains on my mind, but I was supposed to find someone to share these moments with, someone to share this ride. When fate has its way and things fall into place, all the plans you made don't make sense anymore. Honey, I am sure that love was a good detour. Love was a good detour. 'Cause all the beautiful places I've been and all the dreams that I've been chasing, what would they mean if I hadn't taken the long way around? I found you. I found you. When fate has its way and things fall into place, all the plans you made don't make sense anymore. Honey, I am sure that your love was a good detour. Love was a good detour.
When that sleep won't come and you've cried your sum, let it come to you. There's nothing you can do until I see you smile just below those eyes that tell me you're okay. It's written on your face. As you come to light, I come alive. Your silhouette in the summer sky. But this is only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better. And this is only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better. Turn your sorrow in, burn every piece of it. Let me comfort you, I'll be your go-to. 'Cause these are youthful days, we will grow in great, worse or better. Our time is best together. You must know that I love you so, never bargain you for your weight in gold. And this is only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better. And this is only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better. If you're seeing through a single eye, hands have tied. There is more, and I know that it's yours and mine. But this is only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better. And this is only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better. This is only a measure.